Hi guys, this is Katie with Artwork Archive. I'm here to show you a little more about how Artwork Archive can help you manage your art editions. This is a great video for anyone who works in multiples or original editions, such as lithographs, bronze castings, or fine art photography prints. We're going to go over how you can use Artwork Archive's edition tracking tools, when you should use editions or reproductions, and how to generate reports with editions. Make sure you click the link below to follow along with the tutorials at help.artworkarchive.com. Before we get started, let's go over the difference between editions and reproductions in Artwork Archive. An edition in Artwork Archive is considered a group of original editioned artworks. This could include etchings, lithographs, fine art photography prints, and bronze castings. A reproduction in Artwork Archive is considered a copy of an original work like giclées, posters, and print as service items such as pillows and garments or cards. You'll want to use editions if you want to record and track more information about your editioned artworks, and you'll want to use reproductions if you have a large number of editions to record and don't necessarily need to build out a full record for each of the prints. You'll also want to use editions if you want to include specific editions on inventory reports or other reports within Artwork Archive. Additionally, it's important to note that because editions in Artwork Archive have all the functionality and power of an artwork record, editions count toward your total piece count, while reproduction prints do not. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to be primarily focusing on editions. So let's get started. To create a new edition set within Artwork Archive, you will want to navigate to Artwork on the left-hand menu and click Editions up here. You will see that you can enter both an open edition and limited edition run in Artwork Archive. For open editions, you can add and subtract editions to this set as you please, and the editions will be recorded sequentially with the edition number. For limited editions, you will want to enter the total number intended to be created for the whole edition, and then the total number you have created thus far. You can always add more later by clicking Edit. You can also add proofs to your editions here. Proofs are extra prints pulled by the artist to proof the edition. Printmakers use this feature to add artist proofs, printer proofs, and any other type of proof that is outside the number count of the edition itself. In Artwork Archive, you can record unique artist proofs or printer proofs through the editions feature, and they will function just as a unique artwork and count as a piece, but will not be included in your edition number. When you're done adding all the details of the run, scroll down and click Save Edition. You can add additions to any report within Artwork Archive. You can now create inventory lists, a certificate of authenticity, and portfolio pages right from the Editions feature, as well as include them in any other report. To add additions to your reports, simply pull up the report that you want to include in an edition. Let's say an inventory report for now. You'll scroll down and select the pieces by filtering by the edition name you want to include. If you know you want to include the second edition of the set, search for 2 in the edition set. Click the edition, select Move, and click Generate Report. You can quickly find any print or editioned work by filtering in your editions. Editions can quickly add up in your inventory. All editions will, by default, show up in your main artwork page. If you want to quickly view or find a specific edition, you can either search by the name for that edition or filter your artworks to narrow down your selection. To do this, you will want to click Filter on the main artwork page. In the Edition Filter field, you will see that you can filter by a specific edition set, all editions, or no editions, if you just want to view your original artworks. Well, that covers the basics of getting started with editions in Artwork Archive. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about Artwork Archive and editions within Artwork Archive. If you're looking for a powerful yet easy-to-use system to help run your art business, you can find out more at artworkarchive.com. Thanks again.